So our dinner is pork bones. So it's a video time. Okay, ako.
Lord, salamat sa pagkaon na imong gihatag ug makahatag kini kabaskog sa lawas ko.
Amen. So it's always nice to have soup because it will add on the appetite. Some other do the what you call that, put some vinegar, but soup is fine. So this is also to answer the question saying why is it Filipinos love to eat bare hand? You know, it's because it add on the appetite also, right?
You don't think
Especially if
it's
it's lechon or kind of barbecue. Yes,
because, you don't think it's because they didn't have knives and forks? And
no.
things?
It's especially if there's some soy sauce, you know, some lechon or whatever, anything, it's add on. But of course, you need to wash your hand and the nail should be clean.
Oh, that's a lovely thought. Thank you, darling, for sharing that one.
And the other question is, why is it they love to put their leg in the chair? Why?
I never understand why people question this, that's how it's done. I mentioned this to a friend of mine who is over in, I think it's Leyte, certainly Iloilo. And he said that all of the girls sit like that. And why not?
Sit like that, lovely. Yeah. What's your reason? Why you sit like that when you eat? What's your explanation?
To relax my feet.
So lovely said to relax her feet. What else? To unwind, to more comfortable.
Yeah.
But of course, it's only in the home. If you're eating in the restaurant or outside, where is a proper etiquette, a proper table manner, you're not going to put that. But if you are in your home and it's your home, right?
Well, I'm eating with a spoon and a fork. Is this what I do at home? No, it's not. But this is the culture here in the Philippines. I don't question it. I don't sit down and say, why are we eating like this? Anyway, I could always buy a knife, couldn't I? Hello?
Yeah, you can do that. And the other thing is, why is it Filipino when they drink the soup, they always like that? There's a sound. Like lovely. Why lovely?
I don't know.
Why is it you drink like that? That there's a sound.
Because it tastes delicious.
Why you cannot just taste it quietly like this? Because I hear you doing this. Why?
I don't know.
What inside is a proper eating. There was somebody commenting, Taliklik, why Taliklik sit like that in eating? You know, putting her leg in the top of the chair. So they said it's about comfortable. And why do we need to have rice to eat? Because we will have a headache and fever if we don't have rice.
You won't have a headache if you don't have rice.
It's our culture. The meal is not complete without rice. Other use corn as substitute of rice because it's less on sugar.
Hmm?
Kayo.
Luto na ni. Wa na? Niluto. Niluto pa sila bili.
Ano ang kukulitan?
Is there any more rice on it?
Rice na ni. I want to have it apa?
Is it all gone?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
Pwede na daw pag nito.
Ang kadwara ay dumago.
Tingnan ko, ikaw bahala. Pila yung agon. Apple kag kuan. Di ba? Ay, apple kag ihap ba?
Kaya pilang ka na akong iha.
Yung nga magyapang pa eko. Ikaw lang nagtsakan mo. Naglalis ang kasi dahog kaon. Nakahurang sa rice. Good, right?